mendoakan Krishna untuk saya untukmu karena akhirnya namanya Mas Tunai.
Saya terima nikah Wirdatul Yusna anak kandung ayah untuk saya dengan maharnya 10 mayat emas tunai.
The way you curse when we're in traffic, a million flavors of your chapstick, the way that you keep my heart captive. The Journey concert in AC, remember we sang faithfully. I still got that old hotel room key. This is the way I feel, 'cause I can't wait for you to be my wife.
Oke, buat teman kami Wirdatul Yusna dan Ardiansa, kami mengucapkan selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawadah dan warahmah.
And on and on and on. The way you like to sing my songs, you always know when something's wrong. The way you say
Selamat atas pernikahan Wirda dan Ardia. Semoga menjadi keluarga samaras. Dan
to show you care, you're always down for truth or dare. Freeze this moment, let me stop and stare.
Selamat buat Kak Wirda dan Mang Dian.
Semoga langgeng
cepat dapat omongan.
sampai kakek dan nenek.
Oke,
This is
dadah.
the way I feel, and I can't wait for you to be my wife, to live this life together, and I won't let you go. I need you to know that you are my heart forever, and on and on and on. For better or for worse, no matter how it hurts, you've got me to hold your hand. I promise you the world. In your wedding dress, we'll dance till no one's left. Don't wanna blink my eyes.